The 5 words that we are about to learn today holds immense significance. It has the power to address all your issues. It was disclosed by Jibril alayhis salam to Muhammadﷺ alayhi sallam. In an intriguing incident from the life of Fatima radiyallahu anha. She received this precious dua as a gift from her beloved father. Here's the story. Once, when there was no food in Fatima radiyallahu anha's house, her husband Ali radiyallahu anhu and their children were hungry. In desperation, she sought help from her father. Upon Fatima radiyallahu anha's arrival at her father's doorstep, Muhammadﷺ alayhi sallam recognized her by her knock. Allah Rasul was moved by her hunger-stricken appearance. She explained their dire situation to her beloved father Rasulullah. "We have no food. Could you please help us?" Hearing this, the Prophet's eyes welled up with emotion. He composed himself and uttered, "One who is content in the heart will not be perturbed by worldly conditions." Having Allah by your side doesn't mean a life without challenges, but rather being in a vessel that no storm can sink. With Allah's support, no tempest can harm you. Rasul of Allah then presented 2 options to his daughter Fatima. Either take 5 sheep he had received as a gift, or learn 5 words that would bring solace and alleviate hunger, distress, pain, and sorrow, both in his presence and absence. Fatima radiyallahu anhu chose the 5 words to 5 sheeps. Subhanallah. The 5 Kalimats are Ya Awwalal Awwalin, Ya Akhiral Akhirin, Ya Quwwatil Matin, Ya Rahimal Masakin, Ya Arhamar Rahimin. It means, O the first of the first, O the last of the last, O the possessor of absolute power, O he who shows mercy to the destitute, and O the most merciful of those who are merciful. With the grace of Allah, let us imbibe these Kalimats in our life and seek Allah's guidance. Amin.